everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create with one of the newest Softlex Company design kit, Arctic Circle? This was special for the Great Bead Extravaganza. I'll leave a link down below in the description if this kit is still available. I am using some of the beads from the exclusive Jesse James bead mix as well. Those were super cute. And that's where these little green ones came from. But I just thought it'd be really fun to make a pair of earrings, and I am using fluorite wire. I just felt it looked really well with the colorway for this design. And then I'm just adding in these little blue check glass beads. They were on closeout from the softflexcompany.com website, as well as these little check glass daisy spacers, this adorable little ceramic penguin, and they are still available on their website. There will need a head pin, an ear wire of your choice, a 2x2, and a 6 millimeter jump ring to make this super cute little earring. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. It helps me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Let's start creating. So for each earring, you'll need about 5 inches of your soft flex wire. And the little technique that I used for this earring is between each of the little briolets, I put 2 of the daisy spacers, and that just helps the briolets lay the right way and not too clustered. So we're going to start by adding on the briolets. It's a beautiful emerald green color. And then 2 of your little daisy spacers and your briolets. And you will just repeat that until we have all of them added on. And then you want them in the middle of your soft flex wire. So that's what it should look like so far. So when you have added on all 4 briolets, we're just going to put one more daisy spacer on each side of that last briolet. And for this design kit, their Softflex Pro Econoflex in silver is what came in the kit. So if you didn't have fluorite wire, you could always use that. I know the fluorite's kind of blending in with my little bead mat. I have our daisy spacers on each side. We're going to add on one of our little cubes, the little ice cubes, perfect for the Arctic. And then we're going to add on another check glass daisy spacer. And you could use little rondels if you wanted to have some sparkle. And these were exclusive to the design kit. And then we'll add on a daisy spacer, another one of our little blue beads, a daisy spacer, and then one of these little rondels in like a seafoam green color. And these were from the design kit from the Beadora crystal mix. So we have all the beads added on. We're just going to add in our 2x2. We're just going to slide that on one side of our soft flex wire. With the opposite side, we're just going to do a crisscross and pass back through. And with the 2x2s, they will hold 3 of the soft flex wires. And we're just going to go give it a little pull. You can see how it's going to take its shape. And we do have soft flex wire on each side. It doesn't matter which one. I like to work with the longer one. It just kind of makes it a little easier. We're just going to pass back through our 2x2. And sometimes this can be a little tricky. We just want it to pass right back through. And that would be our third wire for our 2x2. Now we're just going to make any adjustments as needed. So we'll have our little circle on top, and that's what's going to connect our earring. We just want to make sure that it matches the other one that we just made. We're going to grab our pliers and just flatten our 2x2. Just going to trim off any extra soft flex wire. Be sure to save your soft flex wire even a little bit. You never know when you'll need it in the future. We have our beautiful little earring. We're almost done. And we're going to add on a cute little penguin. We're use another one of our little daisy spacers and one of the little gray beads, also from the Beadora mix from the design kit. Comes with the little handmade beads or even gemstones. They might not fit on a head pin or they're too big and they'll just slide right off. So to prevent that from happening, we're just going to add on a little daisy spacer. It just kind of dresses up the design. So we're just going to slide on that Beadora crystal and our beautiful little check glass and our cute little penguin. And then we're going to make a loop. I will be using the one-step looper. We're just going to slide it into our tool and just give it a gentle squeeze. And we'll have our perfect little loop in a 1.5 millimeter. And this is the smallest of the one-step looper, but I feel it fits really well with the whole design. So now we're just going to bring in our pliers. We're almost done with our design. We want to make sure that the little loop is completely closed. We won't want to lose our charm. We're going to pick up a 6 millimeter jump ring. And when you open a jump ring, you just gently twist side to side. We're going to add on our little penguin charm. And we're going to add this jump ring over our flattened 2x2 that we just made. And then we're going to give it a close. And you should hear a little click. You'll know the jump ring is secure. And you could do the same design as a pendant, and you'd have matching earrings as well. And then we have our little loop. We're just going to add on our ear wire and give it a close. We have super cute and sweet Arctic Circle earrings with our little ceramic penguins and beads from the Jesse James bead mix, as well as the design kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as a tutorial playlist for all inspiration from Arctic Circle Design Kit. Have an awesome day.